Hey, I'm John from Hilltop Camper RV. I'm at the Ally Rally, their big national rally for Alliance owners and people looking to buy an Alliance. It's in Goshen, Indiana. May not look like much behind me, but they're still arriving, and there are a lot here. Check this out.
We are at the last national rally in Goshen, Indiana.
This is our second Alliance, and we went a little bigger this time, and we enjoyed meeting so many new people. We were nervous because we're newbies, have never been to a rally before, but people have been very welcoming and helping us with directions and just talking to other owners about things that they've gone through and places they've been and places that they want to go.
Right, and also what we might want to enhance in our rig too in the future, because they already did it already, and what they're doing, and ironically, you know, they just talks about different tweaks that they made it better for them, and some of those ideas we can, you know, also use for ourselves.
This is our opening reception. The rally hasn't even started yet. It's already bonkers. We've got pickleball tournaments, cornhole events, lots of great food, the local barbecue places. We have potlucks. We're doing a welcome reception tomorrow morning. Ryan and Coley are going to give a State of the Union to everybody. It's just a great time. And then at the end of the night, you just wind down around some campfires, telling more stories, and having a good time.
Look at everybody rallying around together. I mean, you've got owners in a dunk tank, you know, letting customers dunk them. I mean, they're so involved with their end user. They put a name on every unit that they're building down the line. They look at partnerships like we do, not just customers or accounts.
You know, Bill Martin's a great human being and a great fun, and I thought it would be fun to put him in the water. And I was very fortunate it happened not once, not twice, but 3 times.
Oh, no, I'm not done.
You say you're not done?
No, I'm not done.
We enjoy seeing how they put it together, and we feel like we got a good rig. They do a good job.
Especially seeing the frame and see how well built the frames were, which is the foundation of the RV. I like looking at stuff like that, so I was really happy. I was like a kid in a candy store.
Oh my goodness. From all over. A lot of them are full-timers though.
Yeah, we were surprised
So,
that
yes.
so they were full-timers, and you know, and they travel all over the place and just enjoying life, and very friendly, very open, and want to have a conversation with you and just know who you are, and they want to know who you are, and I would like to know who they are, and so that's what it's all about: is community, family.
That's it, man.